Camera here, the man in the hat. Here you go. I want to talk today about the Profit Portal from Kenny Cannon and Saul Marini. It's a brand new training that's going to be launching tomorrow, February 26th at 11 a.m. Eastern. Before we get to talking about that, I wanted to do a bit of housekeeping. As I said, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere I go. I'm one of the few people who can actually pull off wearing a fedora and look good in it. And here on my channel, I review info products as well as software in the Make Money Online niche so that you don't have to buy a bunch of crap. Okay? If I basically what's going to happen is at the end of the video, we're going to see if I'm going to tip my hat to the product creators. If I do, it means it's great. Go ahead and buy it. I love it. If I don't, well, better luck next time. And if you are new to the channel, I encourage you to smash that subscribe button down there. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. I drop new videos all the time. There's a lot of free training here on my channel as well. And I can pretty much guarantee you're going to love being a member of the tribe because I put up a ton of great content here. And I try to be honest about my reviews. I tell you exactly what I think. If I think there's anything missing, I'm going to tell you about it. And I'm not going to hold anything back. I'd rather lose it. I'd rather not have you buy something that you're not going to be happy with. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into my review of the Profit Portal. So we're here on the sales page for the Profit Portal. You can see Kenny has been really killing it with these methods. Over $8,000 in commissions, and I did have a chance to take a look at the members area as well. I'm going to show you that in just a moment, but I want to show you all these numbers here first, just so you can get an idea of what he does. This does not require you to do most of the things that you would expect to do. Okay, he's actually going to give you two very unique methods of generating traffic to your sales pages, which I have not seen anybody else ever talk about these methods. One of them is free. The other one does cost some money. The one that costs some money, you won't have to do any work for. Basically, all you have to do is pay someone else and one time, and you're going to build yourself a very, very profitable email list. The one that costs some money, the one that's free rather, is really a unique idea that I didn't think of myself, but I should have thought of it myself. And it'll take you a few hours to put it together. No matter what it is, anybody can do it, basically. And once you do it, you can easily start taking in a few $1,000s a month. Very, very quickly. You could literally be up and running, making several $1,000s a month within a week. And I'm not, that's not hyperbole. That's just the reality of what you can do with this particular method. For my own personal bonuses, what I'm going to share with you is going to be a few things that I think are going to really fill this out for you a little bit more. So first of all, you're going to be getting from me my keyword attack guide, which basically teaches you the best ways to find buyer keywords so that you know what kind of keywords to target for your SEO traffic. And I'm also going to be sharing with you my traffic multiplier program, which teaches you five additional methods of driving free traffic. And all five methods are going to be great for this particular product. They'll really convert very, very well and give you quality traffic, not junk traffic. Because really what you want with these things, you want quality traffic. If you drive junk traffic to offers, you're not going to get anywhere. And the best part, by the way, about this thing is that this whole method is something that is completely newbie friendly. Like literally anybody can do it. And it's a remarkable program that it really blew my mind when I was watching the training videos. Because I as an affiliate marketer, I get asked these days to review products from all the big names in the industry. People like Anthony Mancuso and Paul Pona. I'm in touch with these people all the time. I see their stuff all the time. And I reviewed a lot of this stuff here on the channel, and I have never seen anything that came close to what Kenny put together here. This one just blew my mind. And yeah, I'm tipping my hat before I tip my hat, but okay. This is really amazing. And what's even more amazing, you can't see the price here because it's still not live, but the whole training program is $5. Like literally $5. Okay, that's insane for what he's giving you. This is simply insane. I have never seen a program like this, and it's literally $5. I mean, I don't understand why he's willing to give it away so cheap. Most of these things cost $10, $15, $20, and frankly, they don't work anywhere near as well as this program will work for you. I personally have decided to completely change my mind about how I'm doing my own business based on what I learned from Kenny, because this just absolutely blew my mind. So that's pretty much what there is to see here. Let's go into the members area now. So we're here in the members area of the program, and we can take a quick look. Here's basically videos. There is a little PDF quick start guide here. And what I really loved, by the way, he teaches you how to create the perfect affiliate email. And he even gives you a sample email here for free, which is really powerful stuff, because that's the key to making his whole system work. Okay. And then he's going to teach you two different methods, a paid and a free list building method. Okay. By the way, ironically, if you check this video out, you're going to see him showing you something on Facebook, which actually you're going to see my request for review access to this particular product when he's showing it to you. That was kind of weird for me to see that. Anyway, and this video I loved. The only thing I really wish is that he actually would have shown his face while he was speaking instead of just showing you the front page. But basically, he calls it from this day forward, and basically what he does is he really sets the tone for you in a mindset way to really make it so that you understand what it's going to take to make this work. And it's not hard. It doesn't take a lot of time. You're not going to spend months or years figuring this all out. Okay. It's really the sort of thing that you can be up and running even if you haven't got a penny to spend. If you simply have web hosting, you can even use free web hosting, by the way. You can use Wix or WordPress.com or anything like that. Obviously, it's better with paid hosting, but you can use free hosting if you really need to. So there's absolutely no excuse not to do this and to make this work. And then basically Saul is another friend of mine. He has an additional affiliate marketing masterclass that he's going to share with you as well. It's just an extra little bonus. This is, of course, also in addition to my bonus that I'm giving you. Now, to be perfectly frank, I think that the Done For You campaigns and the mentorship program are absolutely worth it. Okay, because I can see what Kenny put together here, and this stuff it just works. He's a genius at making this thing work, and I highly, highly, highly recommend that you get in there and learn from him, because if you are serious about changing your life, if you're serious about finally breaking free, this is the training you want to be in. More than anything else I've ever reviewed. And I've reviewed a lot of stuff. I've seen a lot of other programs. Nothing compares to this. Nothing. This is the program that you want to be in, period. Bottom line. Okay, so am I going to tip my hat to the product creators? You bet I am. But, I've actually had two firsts this week. For the first time ever, I did a review where I couldn't tip my hat to the product creator. It killed me to do it because the guy who created it is a good guy. He usually creates good stuff, but there was a fatal flaw that I couldn't think of a way to get around. Usually my goal when I'm creating a bonus for you is to fill the holes, but unfortunately because of the way this thing was designed, I just couldn't think of a way to fill the hole that would be caused, and it could end up costing you money. And today I have a different first that not only am I giving a tip of my hat to the product creator, I want to give this guy a hug. This is the most, it blew my mind watching the training in this program. I mean, absolutely blew my mind because it turns affiliate marketing on its head, basically. And, it's the sort of thing that the only reason that I'm not going to be doing this every single time is because of as a product creator myself, as somebody who creates products in addition to being an affiliate for other people's products. As a product creator, I do have to support other people's launches, but beyond that, I plan on completely following Kenny's method because he kills it. This is just amazing what he put together here, and it's $5. I mean, who can't afford to spend a lousy $5 to finally change your life? Okay, seriously, people, if you don't want to spend a lousy $5 and finally figure out a system that's going to change your life, then what are you doing here? Why are you even bothering? Seriously, spend the $5, go and buy it. I guarantee you're going to love it. As a matter of fact, you know what I'm going to do? Go and spend the $5, learn Kenny's program. If you don't like it and you decide to take a refund from him for your $5, I am going to then send me an email. My email address is erichammer@usa.net. Okay, that's my personal email, not my business email. It's my personal email. Send me a personal email. Let me know that you took a look and you thought it was crap. Okay, if you tell me that, I personally will send you a link to register for my membership site, which I sell for $97. Okay, it's a $97 membership site. I will give it to you for free. Well, if you think that this thing wasn't worth it, that's how sure I am that you're going to absolutely love this program.